Hello viewers, today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Jonas how to fix Snap Google Chrome something went wrong problem solve. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. Tap on Google Chrome. Click on app information. Click on clear storage and clear cache. Clear cache and clear storage. Click on permission. All permission allowed. Open Play Store and update check Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser already update check. Now reset your phone. And log in Google Chrome browser. So finally problem solved. Thank you.